Okay, I'm going to make this quick because I don't have a lot of time. I just learned this in the entrepreneurship class. It's forming a team, and let me give you some pointers for the team. I don't know if you learned these yet. First thing we need is our diversity, and that means diversity in several different ways. But in it means our skills, our family background, our ethnicity typically. Now let me tell you how they boil this down. They boil this down into three different things. Personality types. You have the hustler, the hacker, and the hipster. You're a hustler, that's your salesman. Okay, that's you. You know, that's me sometimes. That's the guy who goes out there, he shakes the hand, he gathers data, he lets people know, or he gets what people want to know. He wants to know what people want, he wants to know what will sell. And then you have your hipster, that's more kind of Nicole. The hipster takes products that may be kind of iffy, or services that are sort of very square and mundane. You know, they're very logical to most people, but it doesn't have like a human-centric view, so you can't really use it. So it like turns a circle into a sphere, a round sphere, if that makes sense. And then our third guy is the hacker. The hacker is the analytical guy, the guy who thinks everything out. I guess that'd be more like me. Your hacker is kind of your builder. He thinks things through. He goes through entire processes. So we want a good mix of all those people. And for forming a team, there's 3 steps forming. It's when you kind of fight with each other, you kind of figure out what you're doing. They call it the first date. And this is when you get the group together for an activity. It has to be like a fun activity. It's basically, like I said, it's a date. You're dating them. You're trying to understand what they're about. And then there's norming. It's kind of learning how people operate, kind of what their strengths are, what their weaknesses are, kind of how they work, how they run. And that usually happens during the activity and during the first couple meetings. And then the performing comes when all your skills are applied, hopefully harmoniously, to be effective in your work. So keep that in mind for the upcoming team meeting.